In Bearville, emergencies don't knock, they hit. And when they hit fast.
Not now.
We might need to consider the emergency fund for this.
One breakdown can become a chain reaction.
Do we have money for this?
We're gonna calculate your emergency fund right now.
This is why an emergency fund exists. Roadside help is coming.
Back home, we do the math before the next surprise.
Did we budget for emergencies?
An emergency fund is safe cash for essentials when life hits.
Job loss, medical bills, repairs, the unexpected.
So, not for fun stuff?
Not unless fun pays rent.
Today, your number, your timeline, and where to keep it.
Step 1. Monthly essentials.
Essentials are what keeps your life running.
Housing comes first.
Housing, utilities, groceries.
What counts exactly?
Rent or mortgage, basic utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, minimum debt payments.
Only what you must pay to stay stable.
Because the unexpected charges don't care.
Essentials first. Always.
Now we calculate.
Let's use real numbers.
Rent, $800. Utilities, $200. Groceries, $500. Keep it honest. Total monthly essentials, $3,200.
So that's the base number.
Exactly. Monthly essentials is your survival budget. Your number will be different, but the math is the same. Appliances break.
Okay. I get it.
Now choose the months. Months depend on risk.
Stable income? You may need less.
Variable income?
You need time.
Practice. Ask 4 questions.
Income. Dependence. Job market.
health costs.
And how fast can you replace your job?
Sometimes work shifts disappear. In some industries, stability is a myth.
Starter, 1 month. Common target, 3 to 6. Higher risk, 9 to 12.
More months buy you more time.
"12 months sounds huge."
You built it in stages. Don't panic. At 3,200 essentials, 3 months is 9,600. 6 months is 19,200. 9 months is 28,800.
Math beats guessing.
Because repairs don't ask permission. Pick a month target that matches your life. Then build.
Next, how to build it without burning out.
You don't need perfection. You need a plan. Stage 1, the starter buffer.
A starter fund covers small shocks. Like a flat tire. Stage 2, 1 month of essentials.
Then grow. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months.
How long will it take?
Timeline is just division.
If you save $400 a month, a 3-month fund takes 24 months at $400 a month.
2 years? Oh, no.
Or faster if we increase savings. Double the savings. Cut the time in half. Small cuts can buy big safety.
Did we budget for subscriptions?
Sometimes the fastest raise is spending less.
Automate it. Transfer on payday. Ooh. Make saving the default.
High-interest debt is a financial threat. Minimum payments are essentials, but we avoid new debt.
Now, where to keep emergency money?
Safe, equitable, and boring.
High-yield savings, easy access.
Money market, also liquid. T-bills can work for a portion if you keep some cash instantly available.
The job isn't big returns. The job is being there.
Mistake 1. investing emergency money.
If it can drop fast, it's not emergency cash.
Mistake 2. Calling wants needs.
Needs keep you safe. Wants can wait.
Mistake 3. Mixing sinking funds with emergencies.
Emergency is surprise. Sinking fund is planned.
This time, the surprise doesn't break us.
So we save first, then decide.
Calculate your number. Choose your months. Build it in stages.
Today's money move.
Calculate your monthly essentials and automate one transfer.
Comment CALC with your essentials number if you want help picking months.